Actually, markets snapped three-day gaining streak in today's session, and clearly, the uptick that we saw in the first half of the trading session, those were completely given up as well in midday. It was mainly healthcare sector that tracked, whereas IT shares actually advanced in session today. You had the Sensex, which slipped below the 65,400 levels, though Nifty ended below the 19,400 mark. Broader markets have completely been outperforming the benchmark indices in trade, and you had the small cap 100 and the mid cap 100, which hit fresh intraday highs as well. Overall, if you see in terms of other segments as well, you had Bank Nifty, though it ended pretty much on the borderline, but overall it did outperform the benchmark indices in trade. And you had the IT index, which was the top gainer, whereas energy was the top losing sector. Let's quickly look at the top gainers in trade today. So for the likes of BPCL, Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, Infosys, as well as Britannia, which saw some smart gains. Whereas on the losing end, a fourth consecutive session of lower circuit for a GFS, that's Geo Financial Services, a counter impact happening on a Reliance Industries. DBIS was under pressure, Power Grid, as well as a ONGC. Looking at the newsmakers, as we mentioned, IT was the top gaining sector. You had Coforge, which did dip in the early part of the session after the block deal, but it did catch up speed. And this is on BPE Equities, who sold their remaining 26.6% stake in a large block deal. SpiceJet and its MD, Ajay CMD, had to pay 100 crores to Marantz by the 10th of September, and that was in focus. Most of the Adani Group companies advanced in trade today as well, so that was an interesting move. Sugar stocks were up in trade today on the back of the export ban reports that we've been hearing. Max Financial Services hit an 18-month high on the back of a block. Manappuram Finance fell in trade after a block deal. GMR had a block deal as well, and that stock was up in trade. Sapphire Foods had a 4.7% block deal in trade today. RBL Bank had a block deal as well. So there were almost 7 to 8 counters where we did see large block deals amounting to little over 9,000 odd crores. Vascon was another stock that was in focus as well on the back of an order. So clearly, stock-specific action and markets have given up gains in the last hour of trade.